An alleged fan had the audacity to get on stage and apparently cuff on country singer Clayton Gardner, who recoiled and then shamed her into getting the hell away from him. The incident went down during Clayton's weekend gig at Texican Court in Erwick, Texas, where he was barely 15 minutes into his set when this woman got on stage to request a song. Gardner, who was live streaming his show, was clearly rankled by the woman who refused to social distance. Check out the video. You can hear the Texas native tell the woman she could have made the request from 7 feet away. Then she appears to cuff on his face covering a red bandana. After the show, Gardner explained on Facebook, "I handled it with class and as much patience as I could." He added, "I have practiced very safe hygiene and socially distanced myself from the start of COVID to protect my 3-year-old daughter. In the matter of seconds, this lady took that away from me. I was honestly shocked and pretty defenseless sitting there holding my guitar. The audience was equally as shocked. I'm outraged by the behavior and the behavior of many others in our world today." He's also said he's sharing this video so you all know there are actually people like this in our world. I'll let the video speak for itself, and yes, I hope you share the hell out of it. It's unclear if the woman has been identified. Please subscribe to our channel Box Office Set. If you didn't, then go ahead and subscribe our channel and never miss a video.